Today's topic is something I am passionate about. It's really about taking a client and helping them unlock the power of the software so that you can use it efficiently in your practice. There's some basics in Medisoft that are universal, but we also often find as a trainer when you sit down one-on-one that there's something that you build a little bit differently and you're just not quite sure how to do it, or maybe your schedule needs to be set up a little bit differently. That one-on-one time to consult with you and really understand your practice and then how to work out the workflows within the software is really invaluable. It takes somebody from just getting by with the software to actually using it as a tool that improves your practice. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what that looks like. To work one-on-one with a trainer. Typically, we can connect you remotely, or we can even come on site and sit down with you one-on-one. In either scenario, we're gonna, again, analyze what it is that you're doing. We can even go through and check the different things that you've already set up just to make sure that it's set up properly so that a claim doesn't get rejected and you get weeks down the road with your AR backed up for a simple field that was overlooked. We can walk you through all of those steps, both of the setup and also going through the workflow. One of the things that I say often in training is garbage in, garbage out. So I can't underestimate the advantage of making sure that it's set up in a way that's going to get you reporting the way that you want reporting as well. I've walked into practices that have lost a biller and they've got years worth of data, but they're not able to read their reports very well. So we can go in, even if you're a longtime user of Medisoft, and clean things up so that, again, the software works for you. We're excited about it. We love to do it, and we hope that you'll take advantage of the resources that are available to you through ASCOM to get that one-on-one training. And that's our tip of the week.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.